All right, so good evening or good morning, everyone. Right now it's 12:22 a.m. Stock Master back at it here again. Today I want to talk about the stock market crash. There's been a lot of people talking about it, a lot of people asking me about it, and my opinion on it. So I'm gonna do a quick video on this, and follow through, listen to the whole thing. Let me know your opinion in the comment section. What you think that could potentially happen? Do you think the market crash is coming? And of course, like, subscribe, and share the video. All right, let's get to the point. So I put up this chart. This is the chart I use to explain to everyone that thinks about investing in stock. And I tell them all the time, there's always going to be a crash. But what happens afterwards? There's always a big rebound, no matter what. Look at all these rebound. Crash, rebound, crash, rebound. Crash, rebound, crash, rebound. Always a rebound. So let's look at the crash, right? So these are all the major crash that happened within 60 years. So it's 2021 now. So 1952, right? So about 60 years, 59 to 60 years ago. And we're not gonna look at each individual crash. We're just gonna go through it really quick, and you could screenshot, you could look at it. But the thing I'm gonna talk about is that no matter how big the crash is or how small the crash is, there's always a rebound, as you can see. And that's the thing to look at. You look at the trend. What's the trend? There's a crash, but the market climbs no matter what. Okay? So I'm gonna go slowly. You can screenshot, you can look at this, or you can go to the websites right here. Look at this, read it for yourself, do your DD, and come up with what you believe that might actually happen within the US. Alright. So what I want to talk about right now is the last one. 2019-2020 coronavirus outbreak. Right? And this caused the Nasdaq to drop, Dow to drop, everything to drop more than 10% in a week. And of course, right now we're in the midst of it, right? And right now everything is climbing so high, everything before that everyone believes the bubble. We're in the bubble, right? It's gonna explode and the market is gonna crash. But what kind of so what these people that are predicting? What are they predicting based on? Are they predicting based on that they believe a tragedy or a disaster is coming to us? That's the thing, right? So all these situations that happen, and they're considered disasters, tragedy, or some type of war or something happened, right? And that caused the crash. Let's look back in 2019, right? Throughout 2019, nobody predicted that coronavirus was gonna hit the U.S. and the market was gonna crash, right? Because if everybody could predict that, then we'll all be rich. We would have known, we would have sold, we would have waited until March, we would have bought the stock once it crashed, and then everybody would be rich, right? Everybody within the stock market would be rich. So no one knows, and that's my conclusion right here. Quick video. 3 reasons a market crash could happen. We don't know for sure. Anything could happen. A war could happen. Trade disagreement. Another what's called virus or another disease could hit. We don't know. So no one is sure when the market crashes on the upside. Look at the trend and chart. This is the upside, okay? If you believe in the stock market and you're here for a long term, right? The stock market will rise no matter what. And that's kind of what I explained to people that I talked to. I was like, if you and I invested 20 years ago, right? See, 20 years ago was 2012. That was the U.S. credit downgrade crash, and of course the China and U.S. war crashed 2 years ago. No matter what, the crash happened. 2 years later, we rebounded, and the coronavirus crash, and now we're rebounding again. It's an ongoing climb, no matter what. Okay, straight line up. So it will rebound even if there's another crash coming. That's what I believe. And do your DD and let me know in the comment section what you think. Anyways, like, subscribe, and share. And I hope you enjoy this video. I will come with more content like this. If you guys want any different content, leave in the comment section and let me know. Have a good night.